To install Brave browser on Mac is quite easy and simple. Just go and open up any browser. In my case, I'm opening up the Google Chrome browser, and just go and type in for Brave download, hit enter, and here you have Brave browser download. Click on this, and once you're here, click on Get Brave for my macOS. It is downloaded, so you can see almost downloaded. Wait for it, and once it is downloaded, just go and click on that. A window like this would appear. So click on this, and it would copy the Brave browser into your application folder, and wait for this copy to be completed. And once that is done, close it, and now type in for command space and Brave. Click on this, hit enter, and wait for a bit. It says verifying Brave browser. It says it was downloaded, so click on open and wait for a bit. Here we have our Brave browser officially on macOS. So hope this video has helped you to download and install Brave browser. But before you go, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.